Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how I made these adorable large ornaments that you can use on a kitchen table, outside by your patio, or even put them in your Christmas tree. These ornaments are made basically with all Dollar Tree supplies. So let's go ahead and get started with these ornaments. So what you're gonna need are some bowls that you can get at Dollar Tree. Now I got these two large bowls. They have different designs, so you basically just pick the kinds you want and then just get two of the same ones. And then we're gonna use hot glue, and we're just gonna put hot glue all around the rim of one of those bowls. You can even use a little bit of E6000 if you like, especially if you're going to use this outdoors, because you want to make sure that with the weather, the hot glue just doesn't warp or just make it fall apart. So if I was going to use this outside, I would add a little bit more of a permanent glue to this. But since I'm using them indoors, the hot glue is just fine. So once you add the hot glue, just go ahead and line them up and put them both together. Now I got these bowls also, which come in a pack of 4. And all I'm going to do is just add, again, glue around the rim and then add the second bowl right on top. So go ahead and let these completely dry. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take them out and spray paint them any color you want. I'm gonna spray paint mine white. So once I was done spray painting them, I actually forgot to show you guys that I just got one of these little small Tupperwares that come in a package of 6 at Dollar Tree. And I just spray painted it as white as well. And I'm just gonna hot glue that and make it for the topper of my ornament. So you can use anything you want. You can even use a smaller bowl if you want to use a smaller bowl to add on top as a topper for your ornament. So once you're done adding that topper, just go ahead and get any color you want. I'm using a brown because I wanted these more of the farmhouse style look. And I'm just going to use one of these sponges and just lightly paint the brown onto my ornament. Basically, I'm just dry brushing it. You can use, like, again, any color. I mean, if you're using gold, you can do the gold. If you're using, say, a blue color for your ornaments, you can use blue. So basically, any color you want, you can add onto your ornament. And you can even spray paint it a different color as well. I had even thought about spray painting it red or even like a dark blue and then doing gold rimming around as well. So it's just up to you depending on where you want to place it and what color or theme you're going for. So once you're done adding all your paint around the entire ornament, you're just going to go ahead and brush it just to make sure it's all nice and even the way you like it and everything is nice and dry, because this does dry pretty fast. Now the fun part comes and you just start decorating. What I decided to do as the hook for my ornament is just use some rope. And I just wrapped it around the top part of my ornament. But again, there's endless possibilities to how to make these ornaments. If you want it more elegant or a different style, you can easily use different ropes or a ribbon. Even one of the shower curtain hooks that you can get from Dollar Tree that are clear, you can even use that if, say, if you want to do more of a glam ornament as well. So now the fun part, like I said, comes and you can just decorate any way you want. I decided to use one of these Christmas trees, and I just removed the bottom part of the stand of the Christmas tree and just added the tree itself onto my ornament. Then I decided to add one of these little flowers or larger flowers from Dollar Tree as well. These come with a hook. Now you can just hook it onto the rope if you want to, but I decided to go ahead and hot glue it onto my ornament as well. Let me know in the comments below how you've already made these ornaments and what theme you're going for, or which ones are you going to use and which theme are you going to go for. So again, just decorate it any way you want. I had some of these little stems from Dollar Tree as well. They came in a pack of 6, and I'm just going to go ahead and just cut them in little smaller pieces and then glue them on in different areas of my ornament. Now I'm only gluing and decorating one side of this ornament, but if you're going to say leave it out or put it on a kitchen table or a coffee table or something like that, I would recommend you decorate both sides all the way around, just so it can look a lot better if you're going to put it onto a table or something like that, because everybody's going to look at it throughout the 360, I guess you could say. So I would decorate around the entire thing. But if you're going to put it in a Christmas tree or say on a bookshelf that they're only going to see the front part, just go ahead and decorate the front part. Now this is a smaller ornament that I made. It's still larger than a regular size ornament, but it's one of the smaller ones. And again, I'm just dry brushing that brown around the entire ornament. And what I used for the topper of this ornament was an old bell that I had that I just spray painted white also. And then I just went ahead and hot glued that onto the top of my ornament. And again, I used rope as a hook, and then I'm just going to decorate it kind of to match the larger ornament, because I do want these to look like a set. So I'm just going to go ahead and put one of these deer hook, I forgot what they're called, the deer horns, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the gold Christmas trees and add it onto the ornament as well. Now this one, I didn't remove the stand, I just folded it because I think the hook is too small for me to glue it onto the ornament, and I want to make sure it's nice and secure. So I just bent that stand and then glued the stand onto my ornament. Then I grabbed a regular white rose, and this is a foam rose, and I just glued that onto my ornament as well. And again, you can glue and decorate these any way you want, you know, endless different ways of doing it. Then I just added some of these little beads, vine that I had, and then went ahead and glued that onto my ornament as well. And here I am just kind of figuring out if I wanted to add another tree or not, and I decided to go ahead and add one more. And then just go ahead and clean up any of the, I call it the glue hair or the strings that are all around. And there you have 2 adorable larger ornaments that you can use in different ways. Let me know which way you're going to use yours. Again, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY ideas. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.